Something else I also recommend doing after you get your knives freshly sharpened, and if they've seen a lot of use, coat them with some mineral oil. All right, I have here just some food grade mineral oil, nothing fantastic, you know, it's just normal stuff. So here's a knife I just finished sharpening a minute ago. I just take a little drop, make sure to coat the whole edge, get all that steel nice and coated. There's my finger. Wipe down a little bit with a tissue. But again, it doesn't take a lot. Like, that's just one drip. You kind of see the small amount right there. Not a lot. A little bit goes a long way. Even on the bigger knives. And one drip is enough to coat really both sides of your knife. Get the spine. And when I'm wiping off, I'm not putting on really any pressure. Just a quick little wipe. Again, you'll see, get a little closer on this one, you'll see I'm just putting in just a drip. See that? Just a drip. Same thing here. Just a drop. But what this does, this protects some of the steel. So on a lot of these higher carbon knives, they will rust and stuff. So there's just a little bit of mineral oil. All you need. Keep them looking sharp. And I'll go ahead and sometimes just do the handle. Now these have a nice wood handle to them, so we'll just wipe my hands off on the handle.